looking a little flat. I have the worst luck when I'm filming, I swear. Yo, downtown be freaking Gotham City. I got the limited edition truffle fries with truffle mayo, crumble, cinnamon, milkshake, cinnamon, I don't know, tea, cinnamon cheeseburger. I'm gonna try it. It kind of smells like if you're like walking in the vegan aisle. Let's try the truffle mayo. I swear I have the worst luck because here I am after paying for my order, picking it up, and I was planning on filming in this 1 hour parking of Shake Shack. Someone pulls up, we are 2 parking spots away, and he's jamming his music, and he hasn't even stepped out of the car to go like order food or anything. And I'm in Little Italy. If you know Little Italy, it gets real tight in these streets, and it's like not very much parking. So either I move and try to find parking, or I film with this mariachi music or whatever, bachata, I don't know. I'm hangry too. That doesn't help.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Debs. As you read by the title, we are trying Shake Shack for the first time. As always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like this video if you like these food mukbangs. I'm hungry. Turn on your post notifications and comment down below, what do you like from Shake Shack? It's my first time trying Shake Shack, and we are trying a few new menu items as well. So without further ado, let's try everything and rate it at the end. And downtown's a little crazy and the sun is all up in my business. So yeah, I got 2 drinks. This is a holiday special. I believe it was apple cider with cinnamon donut crumbles. And then this is their limited edition strawberry lemonade with real strawberries, I believe. Such cute holiday packaging. I love when they have like holiday items, holiday packaging, all those good things. Shake Shack is literally right behind me. I'm still parked in the parking lot because there's 1 free hour. So yeah, I'm gonna indulge and I'm hungry, so yeah. I got the limited edition truffle fries with truffle mayo, the small sunset lemonade, which is fresh strawberries and lemonade, the apple cider milkshake with cinnamon donut toppings, and the Shake Shack burger with the truffle fries. So yeah. 10/10 packaging. I love holiday packaging, so freaking cute. It just adds to the Christmas
bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
Who's dog? It just adds to the Christmas festivities. Alright, here is the fries, the burger, and the truffle oil. Or truffle, what is it? Please get your dog. Truffle mayo. Yo, what the heck? I have the worst luck when I'm filming, I swear. Oh, okay, that's different. Like a little fry fork. What do you call this? Let me know. Ooh, it smells like the fair. Like fried food. Wow, okay. I've never heard of truffle parmesan fries from a fast food joint. And this was kind of expensive. I think I spent like $27. That's kind of a lot for one burger, one fries, and two shakes. Anyways, let's try for the first time. First time is a little because the only time I've ever tried it is the only time I've ever tried Shake Shack was when it was in the airport. So I feel like that doesn't really count. Because y'all know airport food is the worst. Worst quality when it comes from the airport. Sorry, said it. Sorry, but I'm saying it. Yo, downtown be freaking Gotham City. Y'all gonna have to excuse this dog because what the hell. Here's the burger. It's looking a little flat, but I'm hungry. It's a little underwhelming, not gonna lie. But we're gonna do what it do. This truffle mayo is really intriguing to me. Let's see what it smells like. I guess it smells like truffle. It kind of smells like if you're like walking in the grocery aisle of Whole Foods or the vegan aisle. I don't know why that was my first like initial thought of a location when I smelled it. Interesting.
Oh my God, what is that?
Very interesting to say the least. But I like truffle oil, so let's see how this tastes. Let's start with the lemonade because I'm thirsty. Oh, got some big chunks of ice. Okay. Ooh, not too sweet. Is it a real strawberry? Because it does taste a little fake and a little real at the same time. You can see the pulp. Refreshing. Let's try the milkshake. What? Where's my second straw? Guys, I'm starting to think that I have a curse with losing straws in my car, because how do I saw both straws and now it's only one. What? Oh, hold on. I have a backup straw. So strange. That's not the first time that's happened. Anyways. Oh. Oh my God.
Oh my God!
Do you see those crumbles? Oh, I love anything cinnamon. So if I see like a cinnamon donut crumble, cinnamon milkshake, cinnamon, I don't know, tea, cinnamon cheeseburger, I'm gonna try it.
What? What the
I'm such a cinnamon whore, and this is really up my alley. It has like a slight apple taste. It kind of tastes like cinnamon Apple Jacks with cinnamon toast in a vanilla milkshake. Wow. Okay, that sound is driving me crazy. I like the chunks in it. It's not just on top. Wow. This is so good. Holy shiz. I shouldn't be having this, but oh well. I'm glad I got it. Okay, let's try these fries because it is calling my name. Oh my goodness. These are fuego. Oh my god. The best crunch, good texture. The Parmesan is nice. I don't know if there's actual garlic on it, but if there's garlic, I would like a little more, but that's just me being a garlic whore. I'm a cinnamon whore and a garlic whore, so this is really up my alley.
You what?
It does have a slight, like, unique aftertaste, and I'm pretty sure that's the truffle oil. Wow. Speaking of truffle, let's try it. Let's try the truffle mayo. This color is not appetizing. Like, that does not look appetizing. Okay, we can't judge a book by its cover. Oh my gosh, I went through so many emotions. Oh, I like the aftertaste. Ooh.
No. Well.
See, I like truffle oil. That's what the aftertaste is, like the quality truffle oil. But I don't like mushrooms, so maybe the texture is kind of like throwing me off. And like, I feel like the flavor changes as you're biting it. I don't know if I'm making sense, but okay. Okay, it's strange for sure. Like, the initial taste is off-putting, but if you chew it with your mouth open, you get a little more of that truffle oil taste. I know it's weird to say, but I'm gonna keep eating it, I guess, to really form an opinion.
The power within. The power within.
The power within. The power within. The power within. The power within. Yeah.
I feel like if I chew it with my mouth closed, I taste more of that like mushroom, and I don't like mushrooms. I can tolerate them, but it's not my go-to. But I like truffle oil, so if I'm talking while I'm eating, or if I eat with my mouth open, I get more of a truffle oil taste more than like a mushroom. I don't like when people talk while they're eating, but it's giving me more flavor. Okay, that was an experience. Okay. Oh my god, not the Parmesan cheese in my hair. Okay, sorry, I kind of made a mess, so I'm trying to wipe it up before it settles. Okay, give me that shake. Oh my god. This is everything I love in a milkshake. Wow. Oh my god, this is so good. I'm about to start crying. This is so good. Holy shit. Okay, this is what I really came here for. I got burger. It's like underwhelming, but it looks, you know, that is not appealing, but okay. It's like 100 grass-fed beef or something like that, right? I don't know, something all natural. We can't judge. We look and we don't judge. We taste and we don't judge. I'm judging. Okay, let's try her. Yeah, is it like, okay, it tastes, it seems fluffy. It smells good. Pillowy. Okay. I might be trashing it. It actually might be good. But okay, let's try it. Just the mayo, cheese, 1 lettuce, 1 tomato. It is crispy. Crispy ends. Maybe I should have gotten the double patty. Very simple. Tastes fresh. I think some raw or grilled onions would really turn this up a lot more. The lemonade, the sunset lemonade is good to like wash it down. And then the milkshake is like a sweet treat.
2 seconds later.
I feel like I'm back in high school eating a cafeteria burger. I'm literally in my high school cafeteria. What kind of fries did I have in high school? Was it crinkle cut fries? I don't remember, but maybe that was like elementary, middle school. I don't know. I don't think I can do it. I see some of that mayo. And just like that, the burger is gone in like 2 minutes. Not because I was scarfing it down, it's because that's how long it takes to eat a 1 patty burger that feels like it's out of a cafeteria. I can't even see the dog, but it's definitely in those apartments up there. Okay. Let's rate everything. Drink, I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10. So nice and refreshing. This, you already know, 15 out of 10. This is a May. All of me, yes. Spectacular, give me 14 of them right now. Let's see, the fries. I'm gonna give the fries, minus the mayo, a 10 out of 10. So freaking good. Definitely try it. Skip the mayo. Well, maybe you like truffle. I don't know. Get ketchup. It would also slap with some ranch. Yeah, so good. The truffle mayo, I'm gonna give it 5.5 out of 10. I almost gave it a 6. But I'm a saucy girl. Y'all know I'm a saucy girl. I like to get lost in the sauce. And that I only dipped in maybe like 4 or 5 times and I'm over it, so not worth it. Would not get it again, but maybe worth trying. And lastly, the burger, I'm gonna give it 8.5 out of 10. Maybe if it was a double patty, it would hit different, but it's still good. It tastes fresh. I think the onions, whichever way, raw or grilled, would really turn up that burger. The bread itself was pretty pillowy and soft. My burger to fry ratio is just not up to par. So maybe that was my fault, but it was still good. I don't think it's super crave-worthy. The fries and shake are the most crave-worthy in my opinion for me. But yeah, I would eat it again for sure. I guess that's everything for this video. Let me know your thoughts down below. What do you like to order from Shake Shack? One day I'm planning on doing a eating my subscribers' favorite menu items video. So if you want that, let me know. As always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.